Hey, I'm Fish. I always got to do one of these. And yeah, I don't know if I got to do it in tracking or do I? And I look each and every day. I want to see if the white one comes out. On June 18th, all of a sudden, the Xtra Muse 2 Pro. There's videos, person showing it, and also online at extraus-cameras.com is a 60 off reserve, $20 now deposit. Get in on it. It's only 10,000 cameras it's limited to, and then that coupon goes away. Will you be the first one because that's the launch? Or will you just be the first 10,000 that got a deep discount from Xtra? If you get on TikTok, that's $60 off. You don't have to give 20 to get. You'll get that same discount without laying out money or a reserve. The GoPro One Mission Pro had a reserve, no money down, 100 off with a free grip. And that was the deal. But you had to wait a month's time. Now, Xtra could have did the same thing, but they want money first. Insta360 did a blind one. So yeah, you got in, no money down. It's a once in a lifetime chance to get in on the deal. You'll have 30 days from the launch for a refund. So when that camera comes out and you don't want that deal, you got 30 days to get your 20 back. And no, it's not a no questions asked. They will want to know why you want to back out. Express shipping. First in hand to get the camera on launch time. It's the way to go with the Xtra Muse 2 Pro. Well, I am Fish. You want to know something? You want to stay tuned. I'm going to tell you what you're going to get.